Every generation inherits energy. Some inherit wealth, some inherit war. We inherited survival. But what if survival wasn't the end of the story? What if we were meant to take everything built to break us and turn it into light? This is sacred alchemy. Alchemy is the transformation of one energy into another. Our ancestors knew this long before science named it. They took pain and sang it into gospel. They took grief and danced it into healing. Alchemy is not fantasy, it's frequency. Whatever was meant to destroy you becomes the ingredient of your awakening. We are the children of transmutation, turning chains into rhythm, fields into faith, ashes into anointing. For centuries, we've been told the law was made to keep order. But whose order? They built systems to control our bodies and called them justice. They built doctrines to control our minds and called it salvation. But divine law doesn't live in a courtroom or a pulpit. It lives in your spirit. The real commandments were carved into your consciousness before birth. You are the temple. You are the covenant. You are the prophecy fulfilled. They told us to fear fire, but fire is holy. It purifies, it reveals, it transforms. When you feel anger, grief, or despair, don't bury it. Burn it clean. That heat you feel inside isn't hatred. It's divine electricity calling you to rise. Sacred rage is the fuel of creation, the spark that turns oppression into art, silence into movement, and trauma into truth. This is the alchemy of the diaspora. We have been told for too long that our power lives in systems, in governments, in churches, in titles. But the power has always been within us. Before colonization taught us fear, we communed with nature and ancestors. We followed rhythm, not religion. We didn't pray for permission. We danced in remembrance. Now the old systems are crumbling because the earth itself is correcting the imbalance. As the false thrones fall, spirit is recrowning the people. They used our labor to build empires, but our energy built galaxies. They stole our names, but they could never steal our essence. Now we take every curse and forge it into medicine. We are the experiment that backfired on oppression, the prophecy hidden inside the pain. We are no longer asking for space. We are expanding. We are no longer waiting for justice. We are becoming it. As always, before wrapping up, I want to leave you with some affirmations. Feel free to write these down or say them to yourself out loud. I am not bound by systems. I am guided by spirit. I am not defined by trauma. I am refined by transformation. I honor my ancestors, not by repeating their suffering, but by living their prayers. I turn every wound into wisdom. I turn every burden into blessing. I am the alchemist of my lineage. I rise remembering, and I rise creating. We are the Diaspora Rising. If this message stirred your spirit, if you're ready to transform pain into purpose and remember the power written in your soul, check out my YouTube, linked in the bio, as well as my website. There you'll find meditations, sessions, and teachings to help you return to your own divine rhythm. Don't forget to follow, subscribe, and share this with your tribe, because when one of us heals, the whole line rises. I am Mystic, and this is Diaspora Rising.